To paraphrase Shakespeare, if music be the food of life, listen on. Well, you're listening to Music and Me with Anuradha. I'm Anuradha and do keep listening. And of course, do like my videos, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today's P. Sushila duet is the song Kalyana Kovilil from the movie Satyam, which was released in 1976. Starring Kamal Haasan, Jay Chitra, Shivaji and Manjula, this movie was the only collaboration ever between Kamal and Manjula. The music was by K.V. Mahadevan and the lyrics were by Kannadasan. Now, Kalyana Kovilil, the song, it featured twice in the movie. There's a happy duet, which was picturized on Jay Chitra and Kamal, and was sung by P. Sushila along with S.P. Balasubramaniam. And the other version is a sad version, which was a solo picturized on Jay Chitra. Well, today you'll be listening to the happy version, and singing with me is Mauli.
കല്യാണ കോവിലിൽ ദൈവിക കലസം കല്യാണ കോവിലിൽ ദൈവിക കലസം കണ്ണി പെരിയത് തെളിവാക വാനപ്പട്ട് മേഘം കാതിൽ തട്ടിയേറി ആടട്ടും ഓടട്ടും ആനന്ദം പാടട്ടും കണ്ണി കല്യാണ കോവിലിൽ ദൈവിക കലസം கண்கள் சேர